In this video, I'm going to show you how Google Ads actually makes businesses money, even if your budget is small. You will learn why most small businesses lose money on Google Ads and how to flip that by focusing on buyer intent, the right keywords, and clean conversion tracking. By the end, you will know exactly what has to be in place so every dollar you spend has a clear purpose and a real chance to bring sales, not just clicks. Stay with us. You don't need to spend thousands on Google Ads to see results. Most small businesses give up or waste money not because Google Ads does not work, but because they don't understand how it actually makes money. If you are a business owner or a marketer and you think Google Ads is expensive, complicated, and only works for big companies with huge budgets, I want you to stay with me in this video because today I will show you how small businesses can turn even small ad budgets into real conversions, calls, and paying customers. And it has nothing to do with spending more, it has everything to do with spending smartly. So, let's start with the biggest reason most small businesses waste money. They use Google Ads like a billboard. They bid on generic keywords like marketing services, digital ads, skincare products, and spend money on people who are just browsing, not buying. There is no real targeting, no intent, and no proper tracking. And when there is no tracking, they cannot see which keyword brought the sale, which ad wasted money, or which campaign is actually profitable. So they keep spending more but learning nothing. Google Ads is not a visibility platform, it is an intention platform. People trying into Google are not scrolling, they are searching, they are already telling you what they want with their keywords, what we call them search terms. Let me show you how this makes money using a simple example. A skincare brand in Florida came to me. They were running Meta and TikTok ads successfully, but their Google Ads were losing money with a cost per acquisition of around $96. They were bidding on broad terms like skincare, beauty products, best moisturizer, which are too general and too expensive. So here is what we did. We analyzed real buyer intent keywords like vitamin C face serum for dark spots, moisturizer for dry sensitive skin repair serum for acne scars, and these keywords had lower search volume but it has higher purchase intent. So now look at the math. Their average order value was $78. Their profit margin was around $28 per product. So we only needed to bring the cost per sale that is under $28 to become profitable. With correct targeting and tracking, their CPA dropped from $96 to $23, and that was huge and amazing. They were not spending more money, they were spending smarter. This is where Google Ads become powerful. Not when you target anyone, but when you target only those keywords where people are already ready to take action. Now, here is what makes a small budget Google Ads campaign actually profitable. So, number one is target intent keywords, not broad keywords. Instead of digital marketing course, you can go for Google Ads course with mentorship. Instead of skincare routine, try acne repair serum for oily skin. A small audience but high profitability because they have a higher intent. Number two is set up proper conversion tracking. Not just page views or clicks, you must track real actions. Add to cart, phone calls, from submission, payment confirmation. So these actions basically show you exactly what is making you money. Number three is spend slowly, test fast, scale only when profitable. A successful Google Ad strategy is not spend more, it is spend where profit is proven. So that is how even a $500 to $1,000 ad budget can bring actual sales. Not traffic, not impression, but real revenue. So here is the truth. You don't need big budget, you need better targeting, better conversion setup, and better decision making through proper tracking. If you would like me to take a look at your campaigns and help you identify what is blocking your results, you can book a free strategy call using the link below. And if you want to master Google Ads step by step and learn how to build profitable campaigns like a strategist, not just an operator, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I am going to show you exactly how to run Google Ads into a profit engine for your business or your career. See you in the next video.